Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode here in my studio where I'm going to be showcasing a step-by-step process of one of the packages that I offer to my customers, which includes a full interior and exterior clean and protect. Also, in this episode, you're going to see me in action using some of the products that I use on my daily basis, some of the products that I love using, and some of the products that I'm gonna be having available here at my household, Pristine Auto Lab, home of Pristine Select. And if you can, please watch it until the end because this one is sort of like a kickoff episode into this new phase that my company is entering, which is the e-commerce world. For those who have been following me, you have seen me in many episodes using products that are not even here available in the USA. And that's because that has been part of the entire process. You know, there's got to be R&D, there's got to be test on the field, there's got to be establishing collaborations with some giants that some of them don't even care about ants like me. You know, how do I convince them to work with me? You know, gaining trust, establishing collaborations, making sure that my community enjoys. You guys are watching and enjoying giving me feedbacks. So this one is for you to, one more time, take a look at some of the products. And also, if you have questions, comments, feedbacks, I would love to hear. All right? So let's jump right into the episode. Here we go. And you're gonna say that the steering wheel was not dirty? Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, check out the towel from Pure Star. Look at the color. Isn't it gorgeous? And the quality is just unbelievable. Now look at this color pattern, ladies and gentlemen. Very plush. Great for infotainment, your screens. No struggles when leveling or buffing screen. Pre-wash time with Coach Kami Active Foam. Contact wash with gentle snow foam from Coach Kami. Dilute it into the bucket. Here's my beautiful Pure Star wash mitt, ultra high quality for the contact wash. Pure Star. Time to enhance the gloss and protect the paint of this vehicle. It is now time for the final touch, tire dressing, and also I'm gonna be dressing all the black plastic trims around the vehicle because it is looking dull and I want this to pop and look elegant. For that, I'm gonna be using Luminous Onyx water-based dressing. Here we go. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Today you were able to see some of the products that are coming. Also, I would like to let you know that some of them are still under R&D process because, as I've mentioned in the beginning of this episode, there's a lot of work that goes behind the scene before you ensure that these products can enter our market the right way. Okay, so stay tuned. Also, don't forget to drop your comment, your feedback, your questions, your suggestions down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them all, and that will also help me throughout this R&D process. Okay? Thank you again, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned because there's so much coming up very soon. See you on the next one.